Today, we're diving into a full review of Genio, world's first voice-to-website AI agent. Is it really worth your time and money, or is it just another overhyped AI tool? I've tested it out, dug into the features, pros and cons, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly if this is the right choice for you. So make sure to stick around, you don't want to miss this one. World's first AI agent that turns you into a profitable one-person agency. By turning your voice into fully functional websites. Turn words into websites. Then turn those websites into cash. Generate unlimited local websites and more. In 12 seconds flat. Powered by the same AI brain Google built for its own dev team. Now in your hands, imagine sending Genio a voice note describing the website you need. And you get it done within 12 seconds. This is not your average page builder. This is like a complete development team inside your phone or computer. No coding, no designing, no experience, no skills. Give me 45 seconds. And I will show you how I build a brand new website from scratch. With zero coding. Pick your copy now and secure your copy of Genio DFY for free. On average, our users made $887.25 more with this free bonus, limited to first 99 only. Activate Genio now, and start creating income-ready websites in seconds. Just pay once instead of a monthly fee. Click here. Now to get started. Free upgrade to DFY expires when the timer hits 0. Hurry. The prices rises in. Turn your voice into full websites with real HTML, CSS and JS in 12 seconds flat. No code, no drag and drop. No templates, just speak and watch it build in real time. Sync directly to GitHub or export production ready zip files instantly. Build in 80+ languages, perfect for local clients or global markets. No complicated setup, get up and running in 2 minutes. 30-day money back guarantee. Test Genio risk free. If you're not thrilled, we'll refund every penny, no questions asked. Build unlimited sellable sites, landing pages, apps, blogs, funnels, SaaS MVPs and more. Copy is written for you. Headlines, buttons, testimonials, CTAs, even the layout. Text. Flip sites on Flippa, Fiverr, Upwork or rent them to local businesses for recurring income. Revisit and reuse your best prompts with built-in autosave plus prompt history. Everything is editable, exportable, and 100% yours to sell or scale. Never pay monthly for any other services ever again, pay once and use forever. Agency license included. Offer Genio as a service to clients. And keep 100%, works for every niche: fitness, real estate, local business, SaaS, agencies, portfolios. Build, launch, and sell stunning websites, blogs, apps, landing pages, SaaS, funnels. Just by talking. Just describe what you want to build to Genio, and within seconds it will build it for you. Without you lifting a finger, even if you've never touched a line of code in your life. No templates. No drag and drop editing. No experience needed. Start creating and selling websites with Genio, and keep 100% of the profit. Step 1. Create your Genio account. Click on any of the buttons on this page, and instantly get full access to Genio. Step 2. Speak to Genio what you want to build. Click on any of the buttons on this page, and instantly get full access to Genio. Step 3. Deploy and sell within seconds. Genio will give you exactly what you asked for. If not 10x better. You can now export it, download it, or deploy it on your servers. Or sell it to clients and charge an easy $299. No skills. No BS. No waiting. This isn't some drag and drop toy. This is an AI website agent powered by Gemini 2.5 Pro, the most advanced AI model Google ever unleashed. It takes your words and builds real, functional, editable websites. Pages, layout, structure, style, code, logic. All done for you. In seconds. Here is a fraction of what Genio will do for you. Voice to website engine. Just describe what you want and Genio writes real HTML, CSS, and JavaScript from scratch. So that's my honest review. I hope this helped you decide if it's the right fit for you. If you're ready to check it out for yourself, I've dropped the link in the description below, and yes, that link includes some special bonuses you won't find anywhere else. If you got value from this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.